Introducing the Smart Sound Soother from Project Nursery. Easily controlled through the app or with Amazon Alexa. Includes 6 built-in sounds and multicolor nightlight. Use Amazon Alexa for convenient hands-free control. Alexa, ask Smart Soother to play Sound 4 in Nursery. Alexa, ask Smart Soother to turn Nursery nightlight to blue. Alexa, ask Smart Soother to set light level to 1 in Nursery. Easily control your nursery from anywhere from your phone, including timers, sounds, and lighting. Pair your phone with Bluetooth to stream your favorite songs, stories, and sounds. Enjoy 3 preloaded lullabies. And 3 built-in soothing sounds.